Let's make a Meen Peera like this. There is no chili powder. It's a combination of beautiful flavors. Let's see the whole video. But don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Take a clay pot like this. To the pot, add the shredded coconut, 5 green chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, some ginger, few bird eye chilies, some turmeric powder, little bit of coconut oil, kokum and its pulp, salt. Let's mix. Now we add the fish, curry leaves, combine well, add a bit of water just to cook. Cover. Turn on the heat. The fish is simmering now. Take the lid off. Give a quick stir and simmer until the water evaporates. Let's add some finely chopped red onions. Combine well and cook until it's dry. It's dry now. Turn off the heat. A little bit of crushed fennel seeds. Plus a little bit of coconut oil. A little bit of crushed black pepper. Give a quick stir and cover and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. The Meen Peera we just made. It's ready. Let's taste it. Very beautiful flavors. The coconut, just enough sourness from the tamarind, and the kick of spiciness from Kanthari, and finally the fennel seed fragrance. All are great. And when you enjoy and eat, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen.